Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a very special unboxing. Something I think I ordered from MadYocco. This is coming in from Tyler at MadYocco. He's got a channel. Definitely should check him out. Let's see if it is what I think it is. All right, let's get into this. All right, today I'm opening up with my ProTech TR3. This is the manual button lock. Didn't know this was dropped recently, so cool little knife. Definitely worth going checking out. All right, let's see. How do we get into the box? Okay, so looks like it's right there. Right here. Right there. Is that it? All right, there we go. Oh, and then we go right here. Maybe right here. All right, so we got a little note. Rob, I hope you like the Hanks. I ran into some hiccups that show a little, but nothing that compromised the strength. I hope your sons like them too. Let me know if you need anything. Thank you, Tyler. Man, appreciate you, Tyler. And Tyler sent some more stickers for the giveaway, so we'll be including those in the giveaways. And that's MadYocco. Go check out his channel. He started making Hanks, and I said, hey, can you make some Hanks? I'd like to give something to my son. Got one boy who's going to Mississippi State. Oh, I like the little stitch over there. That's cool. He's going to Mississippi State and as a study veterinary medicine. So I thought that's cool. Handmade in Ohio. I like that. We got a couple here because one's going to be for him and one's going to be for his mom. All right. And then, you know, I'm a Texas ex, so I got to get my Texas Hanks here. I got MadYocco made in Texas. So I know you guys aren't big Texas fans. I get it. Especially when I pull out my Spyderco Burnt Orange Rex 121 with my Candy Crush little CME. You guys like, you need to put custom scales. You put custom scales and everything. Why are you leaving that burnt orange? Well, I'm a Texas ex. What can I say? So I thought I'd get one of these for my son, Daniel, who also is a big Texas fan like me. We watched them. And so I don't see any hiccups on these things. So, I mean, I think they look great. So what we have here is we've got a Texas and we got Mississippi State. So the two schools that, you know, my son's a big fan of this one. My son is going to, I believe, study veterinary medicine at this one here. At least that's his goal when he goes there. And then we got some MadYocco stickers. So very cool. Thank you, Tyler. Appreciate you. I like these. I like these a lot. So this will be probably like a little bonus video that I'll add on to some other videos. But I think they're pretty stinking cool. So pretty excited about these guys. Really do appreciate Tyler working on these. And hopefully my family, hopefully they like them. So, you know, we will see. We will see. All right, today I'm opening up with my EMP EDC knife, the Relative, my favorite knife that they've ever made. It was my 2023 knife of the year. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. I'm opening it backwards so you don't see address information because I don't have time to cover up the address. Oh my gosh. Rob, I thought you were going to need this for the 6K celebration since you're going to be blowing that kazoo all night. From John Tagamori. Man, John. Oh, I see what it is. Boost oxygen or something. Yeah, that's what it is. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh my God, this is amazing. Up to 61 second inhalations, 95% pure. Oh my gosh. All right. You got, here we go. That is epic. That is absolutely epic. Oh my gosh. Oxygen boost. Oh man, I feel like I got to test it beforehand. All right, and this other one is something I ordered from Bluminati. So I'm going to see, I don't want to cut anything, so I got to be real careful how I get in here. I just want to start the cut without cutting anything. I feel like this package is really, really full. I don't want to damage anything. All right, make sure I didn't show the address and anything. And if I do, I'll have to edit out. All right, so what do we have in here? All right, so I got a note. Ooh, we got patches too. Let's see. So first, we got Twisted Sis stickers. Cool, I get to add some of hers and more BluminatiNinja. I was just running out of his too. Oh man, I appreciate that, Johnny. Thank you so much. All right. All right. So there's BluminatiNinja. Got a bunch of those stickers. We're going to add those. And Twisted Sis. And what do we have here? Twisted Sis patches. That's kind of cool. Oh, here we go. Rob's Nerdy Knives. We're going to put that up on the wall behind me. And then we got Rob's Nerdy Knives. Look at that nice little board there, man. That's cool. Super cool. Super cool. All right. And then, all right, so I want to put that up on the wall behind me. It's got a little hook and everything. Very cool. That's neat. That's neat. All right, so that's going to be what we're going to put down on the table. We'll try that out, see how that works. And then we got something here. I've never ordered this before, and I thought it would be cool to do something for a big milestone for some of the folks. So let's see how these turned out. Ooh. Ooh, dog bones. So I appreciate you as we celebrate this milestone. Wow. There you go. So at first I was going to do these for maybe, you know, our milestone, but then I thought, you know, what about, oops, got a little piece of plastic there. Oh, let me get that off. I want it to ruin it. Uh-oh, it's stuck there. There we go. I'm just trying to be careful not to damage this. So what I thought would be cool is that for the people who hit 1 year, I could send them a card like this. And if they wanted me to, but it would be a way to celebrate the 1 year anniversary. So I asked Johnny from BluminatiNinja if he could make a bunch of these little metal cards. So I figured this would be a cool way. I could give one of these, mail it out to you guys. It's a little piece of, I think, aluminum. And then we could say, you know, a 1 year anniversary. And I'd probably get a little marker and I would sign it and say thank you, right? So I just thought this would be a cool little card to have just to celebrate 1 year. So that's what we're going to be doing for people, just to celebrate 1 year and say thank you. And then this is oxygen. And then we have a little Rob's Nerdy Knives. I'm going to try that instead of that. So we'll see how that goes. It's kind of cool. I like that. A little veneer on top of it or shellac or whatever. So there you go. Rob's Nerdy Knives. We'll see how that turns out in the camera. If it works out okay, I'll ask you guys. If you guys can see that pretty well. This is going to go up on the wall behind me. So we'll have it on the live streams. You'll see that. And that was really cool. So BluminatiNinja made this for me. And oh, there's a little knot in the wood. That's cool. That's natural wood. You know it's natural wood by the knot. You know, let's not talk about that. Ah, get it? It's a wood joke. I would make jokes like that. Ah, another wood joke. Sorry. Like barking out these jokes. Oh, another wood joke. Sorry. I'll stop. I know this is bad jokes. But then we got some patches and some stickers as well over here. So I'm excited about that. All right. So I'm going to I have a few little small unboxings I've been doing. I think I want to add them together and just kind of like talk about some generic unboxings. I think this would be cool. They're going to happen after the 6K. So, because I don't want people to know about this ahead of time, but I don't know. I don't know if I can do this all the time because these aren't super cheap to make, but they aren't, you know, I think, you know, a 1 year milestone is pretty big. Typically I do that for like for the uber nerds, but I might, depending on how it goes, if I have enough, I might try to do it for other people as well. So yeah, I just wanted to do something special to do the 1 year. And I still can't believe Boost Oxygen. That's hilarious. Recharge and recover oxygen. Oh my gosh. All right. So, well, or I guess we could do this. Or there you go. Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Dirty Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in super express, priority mail express to Rob's Nerdy Knives. Wonder what it could be. Let's take a look. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my TRM Neutron. This is the Magna Cut version with the lizard skin titanium scales. Let's see what we have here today. Well, I mean, just to do a little deference to the knife, even though there's a nice little thing here, let's just do that. Oh, we got a box within a box. Okay, what do we got here? All right, so this box is empty, and we're gonna have to cut that out, right? All right, so we have a box within a box, and I had to edit that real quick so you didn't see it, but let's see what we have here. We're gonna go ahead and open this from this side here, so information is not shared because there's private info on here. Well, let's see what we have. All right. Oh my goodness. What do we have here? Holy cow. Are you kidding me? What? What in the world? What? Holy cow. Oh my gosh. What in the world are we talking about here? What in the world? Okay. All right. This is from Hoffie, some Scott Hoffie. So, Rob, I hope this gets you in time for the 6K shindig. Well, it did, because I'm opening it right before. Thanks for the shout out and the live stream and the follow-up video unboxing. I totally didn't expect that. It was great. There's a bunch of 6K coins, some RNK coins in white and a few in green. I didn't think much, I didn't have much time, so some of them aren't perfect. Hey, no problem, man. I can't believe you're doing this, so thank you. But the show side on all of them is good to go. That's cool, man. There's also a bag with some coins that didn't make the QA test. Keep them for yourself or throw them out, but please don't give those away. Those aren't up to standard. I am sure anybody would take them because I would. There are some extra coins and pads for your skiffs if you so choose. Congrats, 6K. Let me know if you have anything else in the future giveaways. It was my pleasure. Hoffie, man, I appreciate that so much. Wow. All right, so let's look at what he says is not up to par. We're just going to take a quick look. This will be a quick video. Oh, and I'm dropping it. All right, so, okay, so a little there, but still really cool. All right, I can see that. So it's probably like, this is 3D printed, all right? So I can see what he's talking about. There might be a little spot right there, but to me, those are still pretty wicked cool, man. You know, I think I would be super awesome. There's two more on the ground. I won't get them right now because you can see all of these look like they all have the same thing happen to them. So, ooh, this one looks almost perfect. Oh, maybe it's sticking out a little bit, but I still like it. I like every one of these. This one looks perfect to me. So I don't know what that means. If these are not perfect, I can only imagine how good the good ones are. So let's take a look here. Holy cow, look at this. This is a fancy little container here of I feel like I need to play some poker or Texas Hold'em or something, right? This is cool. Man, I can't believe we're celebrating 6K tonight. Wow. Man, Hoffie, this is so amazing, dude. Seriously, I am blown away. Oh my gosh. What is this? Look at that. RNK. Look, and you get a little coin holder, man. Look at that. Look at that. That is freaking awesome, man. All right, so what do we got? We got some different ones over here. Only because I want to take a look at these so badly. I'm gonna speed through this because I gotta get ready for the live stream, right? Gotta set up, gotta get the stuff in order. We're giving away stuff tonight. So you've probably seen this after this. So if you were in the live stream, you're part of the fun. If you weren't there, you missed it. Okay, so these are generic RNK green ones. Oh, I like those. Those are really cool. What do we got here? More 6K. Oh man, we got to be doing something special for that 6K. That is awesome. That is freaking awesome. All right. All right. Whew. Now, I'm not sure what the white ones are. I have to go read that again because I'm not a super expert. Let's see here. Are these all 6K? Oh, these are just RNK2, so that's cool. Generic RNK, then we got 6K, and then we got, man, there's a lot of 6K. That is so stinking cool. That is so stinking cool. And then we got some generic holders. And what are these guys? So these are like, what do you do with these guys? Are these what you put them in there or something? I don't know. What was that again? I feel kind of dumb here. These are the non-QA ones. I think they're still pretty cool, man. There's some extra coin holders and pads for your skiffs if you so choose. Oh, okay. Okay, I got you. So you could put these in to kind of hold them in place. Look at that. All right, so these are like little pieces if you wanted to hold them in place. That is cool. That's neat. Okay. All right, very cool, man. That is just stinking. Ooh, this one already came out. It's not going back in, is it? No, it's not going back in. It's like, I am free. I'm staying free. You cannot make me go back. I can try, but it's not going to work. Man, Hoffie, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. Dang. I am so blown away. I'm so humbled, man. This is really stinking cool. This is stinking cool. Look at this, man. Everyone tonight that wins, you're going to get one of these guys. Absolutely, you're going to get one of these guys. That is super stinking cool. And I'll probably be giving some of these away with the future giveaways just because I've got a bunch of them. I'm keeping a few, though. These are going to definitely go on my board of stickers as a challenge coin for myself. So, or whatever, poker chip, whatever we call them, right? That is stinking cool. Man, that is, thank you. Thank you, Hoffie. I appreciate it. Appreciate the kindness, man. That is just stinking beyond amazing as far as I'm concerned. I am blown away by this. I'm trying to, let's see here so you can see these a little better because it's reflecting because they're kind of polished. So hopefully you can get a little better view of this. And you can see these guys over here. And super cool, super cool. So thank you so much. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, hit that like button down below. And if you've ever hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel. Allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, who enjoys the content, who's on the live streams, who comments, who's part of the whole experience here at Rob's Nerdy Knives. I appreciate every stinking one of you guys out there. You guys are amazing. So thank you. If you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this video and other future cool videos. And also a big shout out, thank you to the channel members out there. I am humbled, blown away, just really grateful to you guys. Thank you. Thank you for supporting the channel. You allow this channel to do things way sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to do. And I'm humbled and I'm appreciative and I'm grateful for that. So thank you guys. Seriously. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I do really appreciate you guys. And if you guys thought, man, I'd like to become a channel member, maybe just you like the channel. Maybe you want one of those cool stickers because I will give a brand new channel sticker out to every new channel member. So that's one of the things I do. But the second thing, I also do a channel members giveaway. Every month you have an exclusive channel members giveaway, like RNK6, the 6K giveaway. There's going to be a bonus channel members giveaway tonight. Well, tonight, I say on the video, this will be in the past when you see this, but so sometimes I'll do little bonus extra things, right? So, hey, you know, if that sounds interesting to you, sounds something maybe worth your time, worth your effort, something you like, let me know. I'd love to have you as a channel member, but don't ever feel obligated to be a channel member. It would be an honor, and I'd be humbled. But always know that, yeah, if you do that, I'm grateful. I'm appreciative. It means the world to me. Yeah, so thank you. And if you're interested, there's a link down below in the description on how to do that. 3 different tiers. Would love to have you in any capacity you so choose to do. Thank you. And if you don't, you just want to watch the content, want to be part of the channel, I appreciate you too, every one of you out there. So thank you. I appreciate you guys out there. You make this so much fun. So thank you to all you guys out there. If you haven't already, maybe check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. By the way, you like this? This is new. BluminatiNinja. Thank you.